Welcome to Section 5 of our Instagram Ads video training. In this section, we'll talk about premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Premium tools and services to consider. Instagram really paves the way, and it is now considered one of the top sites to post your ads. It is more than just a pastime, especially for business-minded individuals. Everywhere in the world, Instagram has become a powerful marketing platform for many business owners. With over 500 million active users every month, it has opened up a big opportunity for every brand to find new customers while getting exposure for their products. The tactics, like creating, running, and managing your Instagram ads and getting it out to the influencers is good, but without the right tools, you might have a hard time acquiring the results you need. To get favorable results for your ads using Instagram, we put together a toolkit of Instagram apps and sites to help your business outperform the competition and drive more customers to your online store. To make your Instagram shoppable. Using the right tools, you can transform your Instagram feed into a shoppable experience, letting your customers purchase anything they see and help them get a better idea of how your products look. 460. With 460, every featured product has links attached. Also, it allows you the ability to embed your own feed directly into your online store. It lets you integrate a curated Instagram feed for a specific product into their product pages, giving the customer a suggestion for other related items. Brands like Band.do, Pura Vida bracelets, Billabong, etc. use 460 to show their products. LikeToHave.it. This is a great tool when you want to create an embeddable Instagram feed that is outfitted with links, as well as drive customers directly to the product page. You can also create an embedded feed that features photos of your current purchasers using your product. Underables, an apparel shop, is just one of the online stores who take advantage of LikeToHave.it. To measure your performance. Diving deep into analytics is very crucial when it comes to getting the most out of your marketing strategy. Your performance should be analyzed and refined every step of the way. You can use the following platform to manage your marketing ads. Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a platform with great content scheduling as well as publishing tools. It gives you access to detailed reports regarding the latest posts. Using it, you can track engagement and monitor comments and hashtags. Websta. Websta can let you manage your Instagram account and get you easy-to-understand analytics about your growth and engagement. It also aggregates every Instagram hashtag. It will help you track the best-performing hashtags. Also, you can get recommendations for related hashtags you already use, so you can branch out and find a new audience. To schedule your post. To give your fans a reason to stick around and grow your audience, you might need to update your Instagram with fresh content on a regular basis. Here are platforms that can give you the resources you need. Schedugram. Schedugram is a platform for scheduling variations of different features, such as web browser-based scheduling to help you run a more effective campaign. It also has extensive photo editing features. Schedugram will also allow you to mass upload and let you schedule a batch of photos. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a platform in social media that has the ability to schedule as well as publish Instagram posts. It also lets you schedule your own Instagram posts in advance and sends you a push notification if they are due to go for a live action. Once notified, you can go directly to the app so you can publish your post. Later. Later is an intuitive tablet, mobile, and browser-based scheduling platform in Instagram. It will give you the ability to explore hashtags and share user-generated content. Also, you can organize your posts with a content calendar and get a preview of your own Instagram feed before you publish it. Top brands like Lonely Planet, Yelp, Steve Madden, etc. are using Later on their platform. Take excellent photos. If you want to have a good presence on Instagram, then fill your feed with stunning visuals to clearly communicate the identity of your brand. Even if you are not a professional photographer, you may still make great content using excellent apps. VCSO. VCSO emerges as one of the reigning champs when it comes to creating stunning images on the go. Part social media network and part photo editing platform, VCSO is the heart of every Instagram strategy. Afterlight. Afterlight is a great app for photo editing, which boasts a default set of 128 frames, 78 textures, and 74 filters. It will offer you tons of options to play with your photos. It also includes 15 tools to help adjust and edit your photos, so you can get a good view of what you're looking for. Snapseed. Snapseed gives you an option to perfectly fine-tune your photos. While Instagram has a default filter that lets you edit your images, this app lets you apply your own effects with a brush, so you can create perfect details in your images. Now that you know the right tools and services to make processing, running, and managing Instagram ads easier, it is time for you to get out of the box and get yourself ready to show the world the value of your offers.